Hello Rotarians, I hope everyone can see the screen okay? We want to share some information on the District 7020 Hurricane Recovery apps, of the background of how they evolved, how these apps are being used by Rotarians and partners, and a little bit of the behind the scenes technical implementation as we discuss how it can be easily used and shared by other Rotary districts. I am Mike Terrelonge of the Rotary Club of Spanish Town and a proud member of the Rotary District 7020 team. District 7020 comprises 84 Rotary clubs in 10 different countries or territories in 2 geographical areas in the northern and eastern Caribbean, separated by the Dominican Republic, District 4060, and Puerto Rico, District 7000, with District 7030 to the south. In September 2017, back-to-back Category 5 hurricanes ravaged 6 of our 10 islands, and Rotary was quick to respond. DG of 7020, Robert Legier, immediately convened a committee to respond, and this committee quickly recognized the need to manage the numerous pieces of information related to the recovery effort. A set of apps were created to help Rotarians and partners coordinate the disaster recovery process. The app helps Rotarians in managing important items of information critical to the disaster recovery process, such as contacts, details of individuals and organizations helping in the recovery efforts. Projects, the many projects being planned and executed by local Rotarians on the ground in affected communities. Of course, the status of the islands. Rotary coordinators on the ground in each island and in each club helping to implement projects, and offers of assistance from Rotarians and partners the world over who may help in specific projects. Importantly, financial contributions are managed separately outside the app. Disaster recovery projects in 7020 go through the following project lifecycle. Firstly, Rotary clubs on the ground assess their community needs and formulate projects that may need district assistance. These clubs submit their project funding applications to the district via the app. The Hurricane Recovery Committee reviews the project and appropriate projects are approved and funded. Projects are implemented by the local Rotary club. There are preliminary, in-process, and final stewardship reports that are mandated and tracked. Finally, projects are completed and closed out, and post-evaluation is done. This enables us to achieve our goals of satisfying local community needs with good, sustainable projects. The Hurricane Disaster Recovery Committee monitors and coordinates the overall process for all projects. These are the roles Rotarians play in the disaster recovery process. The app contains facilities designed to satisfy the needs of various users enrolled in this recovery process. Rotary clubs need to submit project funding requests and also to get assistance with satisfying their project needs, gaining partners, learning of offers of assistance, etc. Rotarians on the ground, acting as island coordinators, can submit their location status and assist their clubs throughout the project lifecycle, as well as to review any offers. The Hurricane Recovery Committee manages the overall recovery process and needs all its members to be able to see the same up-to-date information. Partners and the public can view certain selected items of information in real time. Facilities exist for using the exact GPS location for each project. This allows for maps to be produced of all projects with full Google Maps functionality as shown. This is the project summary screen and the drill down to each individual project details. Clubs enter their project details, attach pictures, enter GPS locations of projects, and also attach other documents related to their projects. This is how the app manages offers of assistance from Rotarians and partners the world over. This enables us to manage the relationships extended and coordinate assistance to the clubs. This is how the app seeks to compile the latest updates on the status of each island location, with drill down to each specific island as indicated in this diagram for St. Thomas. After the disaster, we established many contacts from Rotarians and partners, and to effectively manage relationships, a common listing of these contacts comes in very helpful to the committee. Keeping in touch with the designated Rotary coordinators in each island location is critical to our recovery efforts, and this is how we keep track of them using the app. The app screen contains an additional menu button at the top left, which shows many other options available to users. Overall, the app provides a number of important benefits to Rotary District 7020. It allows a well-coordinated and organized process for managing hurricane recovery effort. It enables the Hurricane Recovery Committee to be effective and promotes transparency and is easily deployable to Rotarians in widely dispersed geographical locations. The app is resilient to disasters so that a disaster in one or even multiple locations will not affect its functioning. Finally, with the active encouragement and support of the Disaster Network Assistance, DNA RAG, the app was built with the capability to be shared with other Rotary clubs and districts. Now that we understand how the app is used by Rotarians, we'd like to briefly take you behind the scenes to show you how the app is technically implemented. The central database is our common songbook that enables all Rotarians to act in unison. This is a Google-based spreadsheet containing all the information. This enables information to be easily shared by all. Data is available to all users. A disaster recovery information system must itself be resilient. By storing all information in the cloud, this is achieved. The overall solution entails a central database and separate end-user tools for working with that information. There is a web app that provides access from any browser, be it Chrome, Edge, Safari, Firefox, and the like. There is also a phone or tablet app that works on any Android and Apple iOS device. We've been very fortunate to have AppSheet.com be a technology partner in our efforts. Their assistance to us was immediate and tremendously helpful to our efforts. The app thus provides multiple ways for Rotarians to interact with their data, be it any web browser or the phone or tablet app. Both have the same look and feel, which enables users to easily use these different ways seamlessly. Data is continued to be stored in the cloud. The phone or tablet version of the app is especially ideal for persons working offline in the field with sparse or only intermittent internet connectivity. Data is kept securely on their phones and can be periodically synced when a hotspot is available. In terms of next steps, we will continue to use the app to coordinate disaster projects to ensure well-delivered projects as we work with our partners. Going forward for the upcoming Rotary year, we plan to more proactively train clubs in managing the eventuality of recovery projects and to be able to use the app in advance. We plan to improve our capability to coordinate with other districts and partners and to make the app open for all to use and improve. Thank you much for your participation. We'd love your questions and feedback. In concluding, we want to say a special thanks to the Disaster Network Assistance DNA RAG for all their support in these initiatives and for our corporate partner AppSheet for making all of this possible. Thank you very much.